My name is Sandy Wong and I am the founder of Tuft Love. We created Tuft Love basically based on feedback from our mom community. They were already on board with something that was healthy, sustainable, and ethically made, and they wanted something that was more than that. And so that's why we went out to create a collection that was certified organic and machine washable. We have our Tuft Love pre-launch campaign. So we are inviting a bunch of moms and experts to come and experience our Tuft Love rug collection in person so they could touch, feel, and learn about what it's all about.
We know that people want to have those opportunities to connect and to talk about the things that matter the most to them, and what a better way to do it than to have events and connect like-minded people together to have these kinds of conversations.
The biggest takeaway is the mom community that I've kind of had here, the connections that I've made to learn about what's important for moms today and what they're looking for, and that kind of helps me guide in my decision of what I might be looking for that will help my child as well. I didn't know how toxic carpet can be. So as soon as we came in, I love how they had that board that talked about all the different ingredients and chemicals that could be in your carpet. So now that I have a lot of friends and family that have young ones and children, it made me think a lot about the type of carpets that I should be bringing to my household and also my family's household too.
I just loved what Tuft Love represented. I have two small littles of my own, and I just wanted to learn more about the company. What I care about most when it comes to my home is just having a healthy family and having great products to keep us all healthy and happy.
Doing things all naturally and holistically is very important to myself and my family. We try and lead a non-toxic lifestyle, and everything we seek to bring into our home, I try and search for no chemicals. So I love people that are doing this, and this is why I'm here.